Hey, did you know you can watch my videos in any languages? Like Russian, Arabic, Hebrew, Indian languages, and many other languages on the list. Go ahead and try it. There's an offer happening for Discord Nitro users. SteelSeries and Control Freak are giving discounts for Discord Nitro users. If you're a Nitro user, you would receive 15% on SteelSeries and 20% on Control Freak. All you gotta do is go to their page and buy a product that's $20 or more in SteelSeries. For example, you can pick anything and guess what? Not a single thing costs under $20 here, which is funny. I mean, even if you found one, you will end up paying more than $20 with the tax included. In Control Freak, you will get 20% discount, but with no price limit. Currently, it's available in only these regions. Now, how does this work? If you're a Nitro user, just go to Nitro tab and a new tab will open up. This is called Gear Up and Save. You can click this one and get the link, and then use this link to buy SteelSeries or Control Freak product. Now remember that these codes can expire, and they will not stack whatsoever. You can join my main server if you want decors and layouts. We have banners, PNGs, and all kinds of layouts that you need. My main server is also for mental health and Genshin. When you click the join link, fill out a form explaining why you have joined us. A staff will accept you. Then go to Verify Channel and simply verify yourself to activate all the channels. Just don't join my main server if you want free Nitro or Orbs links. You can join my support server instead. And anyway, if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button because it's completely free, and thank you so much for 12,000 subscribers again.